Hey, welcome to another episode of Geekoutdoors.com. And so obviously if you watch my channel, I'm outdoors a lot. And I have talked about this in other videos, but I just want to reiterate how important it is, at least for me, to actually be outdoors, and why it's my favorite places to be. It's because, obviously first and foremost, it's absolutely beautiful if you're in a setting like this. Things are just a lot easier. And if you are a creator like myself, your mind's just so much happier. Just look at this. There's nothing but nature out here. There's definitely not a lot of people out here. There's just no other distractions, as I would like to say. And being out here with all this nature, the air is just a lot cleaner. Just everything's just better. And I just can't reiterate that enough. And so, if you are a creator, or maybe just every normal average person, I would highly suggest, if you can, try to be out in nature, try to be outdoors as much as possible, because there's a lot of benefits to it, not just as a creator, but just as a person. You have a lot of health benefits, there's a lot of mental and emotional benefits as well. And at the same time, I don't think too many people would argue with being out in environments like this. And so that is it for this episode. Just want to give some more thoughts on how awesome it is to be outdoors and enjoy this world that we have. So if you had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.